Namaskar. Today, on this sacred Shahidi Divas, we have gathered to remember one of the most courageous and selfless sacrifices in the spiritual history of our nation, the supreme martyrdom of our Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, the ninth Guru of the Sikh tradition. His life stands as a towering monument of spiritual strength, moral courage, and steadfast commitment to protecting the helpless. More than 3 centuries ago, our country was passing through one of its darkest phases. The Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb had begun an intense campaign of forcing Hindus to abandon their faith and convert to Islam. People lived in constant fear. During this storm of oppression, the Kashmiri Pandits, known for their deep devotion and scholarship, were given a cruel ultimatum. They had to either convert to Islam or face death. Helpless and desperate, they travelled to Anandpur Sahib and pleaded before Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji to save their faith. In that moment, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji uttered the historic words that changed the destiny of India. He said, "If you can convert Guru Tegh Bahadur, we will all convert." With those words, he made himself the shield for an entire community. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji then travelled to Delhi, fully aware of the persecution that awaited him. He was immediately imprisoned, tortured, and repeatedly asked to give up his faith and convert to Islam. But he remained unshaken. Finally, on 11th November 1675, at Chandni Chowk, he was publicly beheaded, becoming forever known as Hind Di Chadar. That means the shield of India. His martyrdom sent shock waves across the country. A society living in fear suddenly awakened. Such was the public outrage that Aurangzeb was compelled to stop and reconsider his brutal conversion campaign in northern India. A new tide of courage began to rise, one that later culminated in the creation of the Khalsa under Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji sacrificed himself for a principle that faith cannot be forced, that truth cannot be silenced, that the real courage is standing for others, not just for oneself. Shahidi Divas reminds us that freedom, whether religious, social, or personal, is never an accident. It is protected by the bravery of those who dare to stand up for what is right. As we honor him today, let us carry forward the essence of his teachings: to live with dignity, to uphold justice, to protect the vulnerable, and to hold fast to what is right, no matter how difficult. And above all, let us remember his greatest message: even one fearless and truthful person can become a shield for countless others. May Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's example inspire each one of us to become better human beings, fearless, compassionate, ethical, and unwavering in our principles. Vaheguru Da Khalsa, Vaheguru Di Fateh.
बाट में खोजो भाई, काहे वन खोजन जाई, काहे वन खोजन जाई, काहे रे वन खोजन जाई। बाहर भीतर एक ही जानो, बाहर भीतर एक ही जानो, यह गुरु ज्ञान बताई, यह गुरु ज्ञान बताई। कहे नानक बिनु आपा चीने, कहे नानक बिनु आपा चीने, मिटे न भ्रम की काई, मिटे न भ्रम की काई। काहे वन खोजन जाई, काहे वन खोजन जाई, काहे रे वन खोजन जाई। सर्वनिवासी सदा अलेपा, सर्वनिवासी सदा अलेपा, तो ही संग समाई, तो ही संग समाई। काहे वन खोजन जाई, काहे वन खोजन जाई।
आया अंबरा दे अखां विचों पानी, जदों तलवार चली हो कंबी, होगी दिल्ली भी मर जानी, जदों तलवार चली हो। मतीदास सतीदास ग्याला पाई सिख सी, आरते शहीद कोई तती तेग विच